Hi everyone, welcome to KG Techs. So this is the third video of Python programming playlist, and in today's video we are going to see how to work on the string operations that basically allows you to manipulate and work with the strings effectively. Okay, so let's create one Python file here. I will give a name as string operations.py. Okay, before getting started, let's define a doc string. We'll mention perform string operations. Okay, and we will see the first operation as a concatenation. So in most of the projects we already would have seen that we perform this string operations. Okay, so we would have seen that in finding out the length of the particular message, or finding out the length of the items which is available in the particular list. Okay, splitting the values, joining two strings, okay, etc. We already would have seen, those are the basic requirements of the any projects. So let's use the concatenation here. So in Python, to concatenate two strings we use the plus operator. Okay, so let's say if I have one string 1 is equal to hello, and if I have another string is equal to welcome to Python string operations tutorial. Okay, so let's say if I want to merge these two strings. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, so I will, so let's say if I want to merge these two values, okay, of string 1 and string 2, so I will use message is equal to str1 plus, and even I can add some other characters between these two strings. Okay, so I will add a comma and one space in between, and will add str2, and if I print this message, I should get the hello, then once comma space, and then I should get the second string. Okay, so Python string operations.py. Okay, save and run this program, and you can see the expected output over here. While running this program, make sure that you will be inside the same directory. Okay, and then you run the program. Let's see the another operations. We'll find out how to find out the length. Okay, in Python, to find out the length of particular string, we use the len function. Okay, so let's say I have one message here, which is hello world. Okay, and if I want to find out how many characters are available inside this hello world, I can directly use print function. Inside print function, I can use the len function and can pass the message as a object over here. Okay, so this basically should give me how many characters are available inside this message string. Okay, and you can see we have a 13 characters available. Okay, you can also always use the formatting basically to render the proper message to the user. Okay, so I will use the f string which we have seen in the previous video. So total characters available in message are, and here you can use the len of the message. And if I save and run this program, we can get this message: total characters available in hello world are 13 characters. Okay, so let me comment this one, and let's see the third uh, third string operation. Okay, so here we will see how to convert the text into lowercase, and then we will see how to convert into the uppercase. Okay, so lowercase, to convert the string into lowercase, we have a lower method available in the Python. Okay, so let's say if I have one string, okay, which is again hello, and here I will give the word in capital letters. Okay, so let's say if I want to convert this particular string uh, into one lowercase. Okay, so I will use print str1 dot lower method. Okay, so this lower method basically will iterate within this particular string, and it will convert all this uh, you know um, all these characters available inside this string into the lowercase. Okay, if I save and run this program, you can see the expected output over here. Okay, similarly you can use that with the uppercase. So to convert particular string into uppercase, we have upper function available in Python. So I can use the same string over here, str1 dot upper, and make sure that you will call this particular method. Okay, if you only use this upper as a keyword over here, it should give you the object. Okay, so it will give you the this particular object over here. Okay, so make sure that you will call this function over here, and you should get the expected output. Okay, let's see the another example of uppercase where we will add some of the things that we have seen in the previous video. So let's say I have one fruits list, okay, where I have banana, mango, apple, kiwi. Okay, and we will add one more, which is orange. Okay, so let's say from this particular fruit list, if you want to highlight this banana into a uppercase, okay, and we need to find out how many characters are available inside this banana. Okay, so I'm expecting this output. Let's say uh, banana has 6 characters. Okay, so this is the output I'm expecting now. So let's use for fruit in fruits. Okay, so this basically okay, this is basically a list, that we are iterating one item from this particular list. I will just print, and I will use the f string that we have seen in the previous video. Okay, so here I will use fruit has, and again I will use len of fruit characters. Okay, so this is one basic example that how you can use the string formatting in your projects. Okay, so let's say if you want to display a couple of sentences. Okay, so in that case, if you want to highlight some of the things which is in the capital letters, or in the uppercase or lowercase, and if you want to perform some other string operations, you can use the similar kind of examples. Okay, so let me save and run this program, and you can see we get this output. Okay, which we are expecting. So banana has a 6 characters, a mango has a 5 characters, apple has a 5 characters, kiwi has a 4 characters. Okay, so this is what basically you can use inside your particular program. We will use the another method, sorry, another operation. Let's use how to replace the particular word or particular character within a string. Okay, again, to replace, we have replace method available inside the Python. So let's say if I have one variable called as hello world. Okay, and let's take another example. Hello, welcome to Python programming. Okay, okay, so now what I want to do is I want to replace this Python with Java. Okay, so uh, to replace this, we will use the new string or new message is equal to rep message dot replace, and here you need to provide your old string, old value that you want to replace, and then you can provide your new value. Okay, so I will use Python, and I will replace that with the Java. Okay, and I will print the new message here. If I save and run this program, you can see this Python has been replaced with uh, Java. Okay, another example we will see. let's say this O is repetitive over here, right, inside this string. So if I want to replace this O with some other characters, okay, so new message is equal to message dot replace, and here I will give O, and let's say I will replace with kg, okay, and I will print the new message here, okay, and you can see here the expected output, okay. So all this O has been replaced with the kg characters, okay. Let's see the another operation. Uh, let's see how to uh, trim the particular sentence, okay. So to trim, we have a strip method available in the Python. So we have strip, which basically remove the white spaces from your beginning of the string and the end of the string, okay. We have L strip, which basically removes all the white spaces from the left side, I mean from the beginning of the string, and we have R strip, which basically removes all the white spaces from the end of the string, okay. So let's use one variable here and add some white spaces. I will add hello world, and we'll add a couple of white spaces at the beginning and at the end, okay. So so from this string, if I want only this hello world, okay, I don't want this particular spaces over here, okay, white spaces that I have added, okay. So I can use print message dot strip, okay. So this basically will remove all the spaces from the beginning of the string and the end of the string, okay. And let's run this program. You can see we get the output here, okay. So here you will not be able to see. Let's use the len function and check how many characters were available before trimming this particular text, and how many characters will be there after using the strip method, okay. So let's use print before removing white spaces. We have, let's use the f string here again, uh, len of message characters, okay. And I will use the same here and just change the message. After removing white spaces, we have message dot strip characters, okay. Okay, you can see here before removing the white spaces we have 22 characters, and after removing white spaces we have 13 characters, okay. This is the output you can get it, okay, when you use the strip operation. Let's use the L strip, okay. So print message dot L strip, and it basically should remove all the white spaces from the beginning of the string, and use the print message dot R strip, okay. So this should remove all the white spaces from the uh, end of the string, okay. So let's save and run this program, and you can see the output, okay. So this basically has removed all the spaces from the beginning, and if you see, this will add this value over here, okay, hello string world, and then these spaces will be available over here, okay. When you use the R strip, the beginning strips white spaces should be there, and this particular string will print statement will return from the first character to the hello world, okay. Okay, I have seen, okay, in this example, where I had given how to convert this, okay, particular string into uppercase, I forgot to add upper here, okay. So to convert this fruit basically in the uppercase, we need to use upper method, okay. And if I save and run this program, you can see the expected output that we were looking for over here, okay. So banana has a 6 characters, mango has a 5 characters, etc, okay. So just I remember that I forgot to mention that. Okay, so let's use another operation called as, okay, this is seventh operation, split. Okay, so let's say you have one text, okay, where you have you know where you have different fruits, okay, and separated with the comma. Okay, so let's say you have banana, mango, orange. Okay, and if you want to split this particular string, okay, with the this comma separator, okay, so you can use the split method available, which is available in the Python. Okay, so let's use the split operation here. And if you see, when you open the split method, it will ask you for the separator. Okay, so if you don't provide any separator, okay, here it will by default it will take as a white space, single white space. Okay, and if you want to provide, so in our case this string is basically merged or basically separated with the comma separator. Okay, so in our case what we will do is we will use the comma, and you can see this particular when you will use the split method, it will return the list output. Okay, so we'll use the fruits as a list here. Okay, and if I print fruits, I should get the list of these three items. Okay, you can see we have a list of banana, mango, and orange. Okay, let's see the another operation called as join. Okay, to join this items from this particular list, we use the join method. Okay, so let's say str fruits is equal to uh, fruits dot join. Okay, to join this, first what we need to do is we need to use the separator here. Okay, so let's say earlier we had a comma separator, I will use the hyphen as a separator here, dot join, and then I will give the iterable over here, okay, which is a fruit. So iterable is nothing but something that we can iterate within it. Okay, so these iterables, iterate, what is the iterable, what is the iterator, we will see that in the upcoming videos. So just follow along with me in this tutorial. Okay, so when I print str underscore fruits, I should get the expected output with the hyphen separator here. Okay, let's see the another operation, which is in operator. Okay, so let's say if you have you know if you want to find out if particular character or particular word is available inside the string or not. Okay, so to find out we use the in operator. Okay, and basically we need to take the help of conditional statements here. Okay, so let's say if I have one string message, okay, one variable which holds hello world. Okay, and if I want to see if hello world is available inside this string or not. Okay, so I will use if hello in message. Okay, if yes, then print so search completed. Okay, else print cannot find a value, cannot find a search value. Okay, within the string. Okay, so this is the message I want to display to the user. If let's say if this hello is available in this string, it should give the search completed, and if I don't find any this hello inside this message, I should give this particular message box. Okay, particular message to the user. Okay, let's run this program, and you can see this hello is present inside this message. Okay, so it will give me print a message search completed. Okay. So in Python, everything is case sensitive. Okay. So let's say if you use h as a small letter and if you try to run this program, you will get the cannot find a search value within the string. Okay. So let's say if you want to do it programmatically. Okay. So whatever the word will be there, you know that first letter of the particular word is a capitalize. Okay. So what you can do is you can use the capitalize method here. And now if you run this program, you should get the search completed message box here. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you in the another video. Thank you for watching.